Well, when I got home from work today, Hunter, my buddy here at the airport, called me and told me about this strange O-2 that came in today. And I said, well, I'm going to come out here and make a video and take some pictures of it. So single engine O-2 now, and from what they say, it's something to do with a lot of those drones and stuff that fly around. But I've seen pictures of one before that was single engine. It's never seen one in person. Of course, very seldom do you ever see Skymasters anyway. But I thought that was kind of neat. So I'm just going to walk around here and look around it. Certainly odd. It's got outboard extended range fuel tanks now. But yes, very, very strange looking Skymaster.